In the early hours of Wednesday, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un welcomed Russian President Vladimir Putin to Pyongyang with an embrace. This marks a significant moment in the evolving relationship between the two nations. Since Moscow's invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, North Korea and Russia have grown closer, much to the West's displeasure. The relationship has intensified against a backdrop of international sanctions and geopolitical tensions. Observers describe the alliance as a marriage of convenience rather than a true partnership. North Korea seeks economic aid and technological support from Russia, while Russia looks for a military cooperation and political backing. This growing bond serves a strategic purpose for both nations, allowing them to counterbalance Western influence. For Russia, support from North Korea offers a counter narrative to the Western condemnation of its action in Ukraine. Economic sanctions have isolated both nations, pushing them to find alternative allies and trading partners. North Korea, suffering from severe economic hardship, views Russia as a vital economic lifeline. Also, military cooperation is a key element of their relationship, with both nations potentially benefiting from shared technology and resources. This cooperation could include arms deals and joint military exercises. Politically, their alliance sends a message of defiance to the West, showcasing their resilience against action and diplomatic pressure. This relationship also serves to bolster their respective regimes domestically. The West has expressed significant concern over this developing alliance, viewing it as a destabilizing factor in global politics. International observers are closely monitoring the situation for potential escalation. The future of this marriage of convenience remains uncertain, dependent on the shifting geopolitical landscape and internal pressure within both nations. For now, Kim Jong-un and Vladimir Putin's embrace symbolizes a united front against common adversaries.